day 2?
Day 2, peeps. My hair, I have a mullet.
Heck yeah, she does. But what are we gonna do?
Go to the pool!
We'll probably go to the beach.
And the beach.
I don't know what else. Oh, we have the
water,
we have the luau tonight. We should bring water. Oh no, it's gonna get hot.
But we could bring the Dasani ones that we have for the wedding.
All right, here we are. That's our hotel right there.
Waikoloa Beach Resort.
Heck
Hawaii.
yeah. And my hair, I don't know if I like it like this. Maybe I'll take it down.
Love it.
Mullet. But we're going to get some Starbucks because I need some coffee.
How else are we going to start the day?
Honestly,
When we're going to go to the pool. That's why we're wearing bathing suits, which are matching BT dubs.
Yeah, we are. I have way more boobs than you. I don't know if that's true or not.
It probably is.
I don't know. Ooh.
Drop my sandwich on the floor.
And are you still gonna eat it?
Yeah. Of course.
So what'd you get? Wait, I'll be the Starbucks lady, okay? Then you have to do it for me. Hi, what would you like today?
Grande iced chai with No, grande iced chai with soy.
Oh.
And then a sandwich. Hi, what do you want today?
Hey, can I have a grande iced mocha with no whip and a grande iced water?
No, we're out.
F you. So me and Corey, oh wait, me and Corey got these things that we can like record
Use our
underwater.
phone, yeah, underwater.
Oh wait, we showed them yesterday, but it's really fun because we can like do this. Ready? I don't know what I just got.
It still went. Wait, let's try it again.
Okay, ready?
Okay, ready, go. Is it still going?
I think so.
Yay!
Yeah, sometimes it like cuts off, but we're swimming in the pool and it's really fun.
Heck yeah. And we just took a time lapse.
Yeah,
and
it's really cute. So yeah, we're gonna keep swimming and keeping annoying and taking pictures in the pool, because that's what we do.
Everybody's probably just looking at us being like, white girls.
What are they doing?
I don't care.
Wow. Look, we're in the ocean!
Oh my goodness!
Yeah!
It wasn't, but it could have been.
Was your shirt down?
No. Thank the freaking Lord.
Where are the cats?
Are they wild? This is like a hotel. Like, why would they be here?
My thoughts exactly.
We just reapplied our sunscreen and now we're gonna go to the beach.
That's for you, Grandma.
Does your grandma watch these?
No. We are watching a video that's very sad about Trisha.
I know.
But we're getting ready.
Heck yeah.
What are you wearing?
I'm wearing this dress from Old Navy and it looks like Hawaii.
Mine does not. Mine looks goth.
That's okay.
I'm wearing like vampy lips and a black dress. Oh well. I feel good, except I don't know. This is kind of risque. What if we sit with a family?
And now the dad's probably gonna get really distracted.
Because if this goes like open.
Nipple.
Corey, what are we doing today? We're going to the luau. I love you!
SpongeBob SquarePants! Made it. We're going to the luau.
Yeah.
We're gonna meet in the lobby.
And there's gonna be a huge pig.
Yeah, and I kind of want to try it, but I don't
BT
know.
dubs, I don't eat meat. I'm not trying
I
it.
don't eat meat most times. So I feel like it's okay, you know, it's already dead. I don't know. Corey, what are we drinking?
Mai Tais.
No, it's Shirley Temple. They card everybody.
Unfortunately.
What I'm going to attempt to do is to divide the lawn equally into two halves right now, and I think I'm going to step over this one.
Look at all our food.
Yeah. Buffet.
It was such a pretty. Wow.
I love my
to Luau. It's 8:30, but in California it's like 11:30. And so we're gonna go to bed.
Hi guys.
We just watched America's Got Talent, and now I put on My Big Fat Fabulous Life. And that's it for Wednesday night. Here's My Big Fat Fabulous Life. Here's me, and here's Sarah.
Bye.
Good night.